We're the Research and Instruction Unit of the USF Libraries, and we want to make sure that you're aware of some key resources and services that we provide for you. See them all by visiting our website at lib.usf.edu, clicking on the Site menu, and selecting Services for Faculty. This page, Library Services for Faculty and TAs, is a clearinghouse of resources and services to help you get started with the USF Libraries. Let's take a quick look at some of them. One-on-one research and teaching consultations, and class instruction sessions. One of the key services that the R&I unit provides are one-on-one consultation sessions with your librarian. Consultations can be a great opportunity to discuss topics such as research and publication, collaboration with your librarian on including information and data literacy in your assignments, discovering new curricular materials, and more. We also provide instruction sessions for your class and can work with you to plan the session around specific projects or assignments. One-on-one consultations and class instruction sessions can all be scheduled from this page by filling out the form for each service. Find My Librarian and Contact. The Find My Librarian page is a list of the subject librarians who work with different departments at USF. If I click on a name, I can see even more information, including a list of the subject and course guides that librarian maintains. Subject and course guides. Our guides represent a curated collection of resources just for that discipline or class. Resources like books, ebooks, journal articles, and websites. We can also work with you to create or update a guide for your course. Information and data literacy modules. These Canvas-based, badge-awarding modules can provide basic library instruction to any course. You can browse topics here, including our most popular module, Avoiding Plagiarism, and share or embed the enrollment link in your Canvas course, or talk to your librarian about which modules might be most useful for your class. Workshops for researchers. These workshops meet virtually but are synchronous, not recorded, and provide faculty, staff, and students the opportunity to learn in many different areas, such as data visualization and management, publishing and research, AI tools, and more. Course reserves. The USF Libraries offer both digital and print reserves. To make a request for material to be placed on reserve for your class, you'll first have to activate course reserves within your Canvas course shell. We provide a step-by-step guide on doing that here. To ensure access, requests should be submitted as early as possible, ideally at least 6 to 8 weeks in advance of any term beginning. Ebooks for the classroom and textbook affordability. These two programs are focused on helping provide low-cost textbook options for you and your students. Ebooks for the classroom allows you to search and request ebook adoptions for courses, and the Textbook Affordability Project helps you find low or no-cost textbook options for your students. Finally, we have a collection of USF Library instructional videos on YouTube, a continuously updated list of videos meant for both students and faculty to help you get started with the USF Libraries. Check out these two playlists, Faculty Guides and Help, and Getting Started with the USF Libraries, for some information starting points. For more information on any of these services, or if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact any of the R&I librarians. Thanks for watching and welcome to USF.